citation reads, "Be it known to all men by this presence that I, Samoro, on March 27, 2014, of the Order of Sikatuna, the name of the two Muhammad Century Malaysia, with the rank of Grand Cross Gold Distinction, done in the city of Manila, this 21st day of January, in the year of our Lord